Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken a question from permutations, combinations, and it includes the set theory properties also. The question is the number of elements in set A and in set B are 5 and 2 respectively. The number of subsets of Cartesian product of A and B, each having at least 3 and at most 6 elements is. 4 options are given for the answer: 800, 890, 793, 792. So let's begin. So number of elements in set A equals to 5. Then I can write n of A equals to 5. Number of elements in set B equals to 2. So we'll write n of B equals to 2. Then we know the rule of finding or uh, easy way of calculating. So number of elements in your Cartesian product of A and B, or we say A cross B, equals to just 5 multiplies 2. It will be n of A multiplies n of B. This is equal to 5 multiplies 2 equals to 10. So out of this 10 element, we will frame the subset. You are taking at least 3 and at most 6. So let us write once the number of subsets, how it is calculated. So all total number of subsets from n elements is your NC1 plus NC2, sorry, NC0 plus NC1 plus, that means taking 0 element first time, 1 element, 2 elements, so on, up to n combination n. So here we'll start from 3. So number of subsets having 3 elements equals to, total is 10, so it will be 10 combination 3. And number of subsets having 4 elements equal to 10 combination 4. Then having subsets having 5 elements ten combination 5, and subset with 6 elements ten combination 6. So all will add minimum 3, maximum 6. So total subsets will be, according to the question, equals to 10 combination 3, 10 combination 4, 10 combination 5, and 10 combination 6. 10 combination 4 and 6 are equal, so once we'll calculate. Let's go by one. First is your 10 combination 3, I am calculating here. So it will be 10 factorial by 3 factorial into 7 factorial. This will be 8, 9, 10. And your 3 factorial means your 3 into 2. So I'll cancel with 3 and 2 is 4. So it will be 120. First one is 120. Next is 10C4. 10C4 will be 10 factorial over 4 factorial into 6 factorial. So it will be 7, 8, 9, 10. And 4 factorial is your 4 into 3 into 2. So 4, 2 cancel with 8, 3, 3. So it will be 7 into 3, 21 into 10 will be 210. And when this is 210, then see 6 is also 210. Now coming to 10C5. 10C5 equal to 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 5 factorial. So it will be 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. And 5 factorial is your 5, 4, 3, 2. So 5 into 2, 10. 10 will cancel. Then your 3, 2, and this will be 4 will be cancelled with 2. So it is becoming 4, 4, 7, 28, 20 into 9. This will be 252. So if we'll add them, the answer is 792. So fourth is the answer. 4 is answer. That will be 792. I hope you enjoyed. So please like the video, comment down, share and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you.